Minnesota. It's the land of 10,000 lakes. They put it on the license plates. You see pictures of people fishing, hiking, and smiling in cozy sweaters. It looks like a perfect postcard from a place where life is simple and good. But there is another Minnesota. A story that doesn't fit neatly on a postcard. This is the Minnesota that is home to one of the largest East African communities in America. People from Somalia, Ethiopia, Eritrea. They came here with big hopes, looking for safety, for opportunity, for that classic American dream. But there is a truth they don't tell you. The real story is more complicated, gritty, and lived behind apartment doors in Minneapolis and St. Paul. The first thing that hits you is the cold. Not just a little chill. Deep, bone-aching cold that feels personal. For someone raised under the warm East African sun, Minnesota winter is a physical and psychological shock. The sun disappears at 4:30. The world turns dark and gray. Snow falls relentlessly. Cars and streets buried under it. And soon, what feels familiar is buried too. Cold that traps you indoors, away from neighbors. Going to the store feels like an expedition. Bundling up in layers you've never had to wear. The cold outside becomes an emotional cold. Loneliness, homesickness, cultural confusion. Yet life goes on. Rent, bills, school, little ones bundled like astronauts. Loneliness is a heavy blanket. You miss warmth, the sun, your food, your language, the bustling streets. Overcoming the cold in the climate and the culture begins here, finding warmth together. Let's talk about work. The promise is, work hard and you can achieve anything. But for many the reality is more complicated. The first job isn't the one you're qualified for, it's the one you can get now that pays the bills. Brilliant minds with degrees doing work far beneath their skills. An engineer from Addis drives Uber. A respected teacher from Mogadishu packs boxes at night. This isn't choice, it's necessity. The system is slow. Getting foreign credentials recognized is a bureaucratic maze. It takes years and thousands of dollars. Professional licenses don't transfer. You take new exams, earn certifications, go back to school. Meanwhile, life doesn't wait. Feed the family, pay the rent. So you grind. Study between fares. Take English classes. Save for recertification. Survival mode is temporary. Step by painful step, resilience wins. And doors open. When the outside world feels cold and unfamiliar, you find pockets of home. You create them. For East Africans here, pockets are the mosques, churches, community centers, and markets. Mosques, churches, community centers, and bustling markets. Walk into a Somali mall in Cedar Riverside, or an Ethiopian grocery on University Avenue, and everything changes. The air fills with Berber, cardamom, and incense. The sounds shift. Somali, Amharic, Oromo. You're somewhere beautifully in between. These places are more than businesses. They're lifelines. Yes, you find the right flour and the coffee beans, but more importantly, you reconnect with familiar faces and your own language. Here you seek guidance, celebrate weddings, and mourn losses. Leaders build a safety net, help with furniture, schools, language, traditions, sanctuaries of identity for the next generation. One complex challenge begins at home. Parents raised in East Africa, children growing up American, not good versus bad, two worlds colliding at the dinner table. Parents hold values, deep respect for elders, community over the individual, and strong cultural and religious traditions. They sacrificed everything and fear identity is slipping away. Kids balance constantly. They speak English, often better than their parents, absorb music, style, and ideals of self-expression. Then expectations flip. Speak the language, follow customs, learn new rules. One foot in each world. Am I Somali, Ethiopian, American? Code switching in language, behavior, dress and dreams. The in-between becomes strength. Somali American. The bridge between past and future, redefining what it means to be from East Africa in Minnesota. Success is often told as overnight, a thriving restaurant, a Harvard acceptance, but beneath them are small, slow, unseen victories, passing the driver's test after failing 3 times, understanding a coworker's joke, incremental steps, years of saving, then a down payment and a small house. A mother studies for months, then speaks to the teacher without a translator. Storefronts across Minneapolis and St. Paul represent risk, sweat, and sacrifice. From survival job to employer, opportunity spreads. A warehouse worker's child graduates college. A housekeeper's daughter enters medical school. The ultimate return on investment. Hard-won, steady success. The hopeful truth of East Africans in Minnesota. If you're new and lost in the cold, listen. It will be hard at first. You will miss the sun. You will miss your family. You will question everything. But you are not alone. You walk a path thousands have walked. They felt the same cold, the same loneliness, the same frustration. And they made it. You are not behind. You are building. You don't have to choose. Your dual perspective is a superpower. Honor tradition. Forge your path. You are the bridge. You are the future. Parents, your strength is their foundation. Keep teaching language, sharing stories, cooking your food. Trust the values you've instilled: resilience, faith, family. Your struggles are stones of a new foundation. Your small steps create a path. Your future's brighter than a dark winter day. Hold your roots. Reach for the sky. You belong here. You are home. This is East African Mindset. Subscribe and share.